Okay, we have a Supermax vertical machining center, Max 4, serial number 403036, new in 1994. We're gonna run her. She's got 1100 millimeter of X, 43.3, 23.6 of Y, 600 millimeter, and 24.8 of Z, 630. It goes up to 8,000 RPM. What RPM are we at right now? 1,000. 40 taper, cat, 2,000, 3,000. We have a 30 station ATC automatic tool changer, 4,000 RPM. I think that's high enough. Tool change. Again, it's a side mounted tool changer. Another tool change. Looking for the tool. Moving the axes. Moving X. And Z, right? Y. And that's all she wrote. Thank you for watching the video.